Hey traders, Joe Wright here from MaximumLots.com, and this is the weekly supply and demand Forex outlook for the week beginning 10th of July 2016. Okay, so we've got EJ up on the daily. This is a pair that we were looking at last week, looking for shorts. I mentioned that this demand area right here might turn into a swap zone, so we could have a reversal from here, and that's exactly what happened. And so we took a short, and that's looking very nice indeed. There may still be some in it, so if you missed the short from last week, watch out, because you may be able to get in this week. So let me just scroll over here for a bit and show you where that demand level was, just for a little recap. So that was the demand that was engulfed. This area here was also engulfed, and price just stopped here. When price rallied back up, path was still looking clear, and so that's why we took the short down. So watch out for that one still. Okay, I also mentioned potential shorts on the pound. I mentioned that the pound was likely to continue falling. Price was up here around that time, and you can see that's exactly what happened. Now, whilst I didn't trade GU itself, I did trade a couple of pound pairs, and if you look on the website, you'll see an article about some of the shorts that we took last week on the pound, anticipating it falling further. Now, other trades or other potential this week. In fact, let me just show you EU. EU isn't one that I mentioned a lot, and that's simply because I don't often see price action that I like. So yeah, up here we've just got this supply. Can't see any quality demand lower down at the moment, so that's why I haven't been mentioning it, because there's no opportunity. So if I don't mention a trade like that, because I don't see anything clear that I like, it's far easier to just focus on the pairs that have got opportunity and ignore those that don't. So moving on then, let's have a quick look at dollar Swiss. So I mentioned this one a few weeks ago. Price didn't reach it yet, but as you can see, price has pretty much hit that supply level there. So it will be interesting to see what will happen. Obviously, if the dollar decides to reverse from here, then we may see up movements on the likes of the euro and the pound. If this breaks through, then we're likely to see the other pairs fall. I don't really look at correlation too much, but it's just something that you can be aware of. But those are the two main pairs that I'm watching on the daily charts. So until next time, happy trading, guys.